The financial world of 2026 has officially moved past the era of the personal credit score as the only way to measure a business owner's worthiness for capital. For decades, we were told that your personal history was the only thing that mattered, but today, we are seeing a massive shift toward inclusive financing that looks at your potential rather than your past. In this 10-minute deep dive, we are exploring the world of business credit cards that require no credit check and no history. This is the ultimate guide for the entrepreneur who is starting from absolute zero, or someone who simply wants to keep their personal and business finances completely separated by a digital wall. We are going to talk about the rise of algorithmic lending and the new platforms that are changing the lives of millions of small business owners this year. The first thing you need to understand in 2026 is that a no credit check card is not a myth. It is a product of the software era. Traditional banks were slow and relied on humans to look at a FICO score, but modern fintech companies use direct integrations to see your real-time financial health. This means they do not need to pull a credit report from a bureau, because they can see your revenue and your expenses and your growth trends directly through your bank account. This process is often faster and much more accurate than the old way of doing things. If you have a business that is making money, or if you have a solid plan and some initial funding, you can access thousands of dollars in credit without a single inquiry hitting your personal file. One of the most exciting developments in 2026 is the emergence of the Karat corporate card for content creators and digital entrepreneurs. If you are building a brand on YouTube or Instagram or TikTok, Karat does not care about your credit score. They look at your subscriber count and your engagement rates and your monthly payouts from platforms like Google or Meta. This is a perfect example of how the definition of credit has expanded. For a content creator in 2026, your audience is your collateral. They offer high limits and rewards that are tailored to the needs of a digital business, like camera equipment and editing software and travel. This is a no credit check option that is specifically designed for the modern economy. Another powerhouse that has taken the 2026 market by storm is the IKFI credit line for e-commerce businesses. If you are selling products on Amazon or Walmart or Shopify, IKFI provides a continuous flow of capital that is not based on your credit history. They use what they call a growth plan, where they analyze your supply chain and your inventory turnover. They provide you with the funds to buy more stock, and they collect their payment as a percentage of your future sales. This is technically an unsecured credit line that acts exactly like a high-limit business card, but with much more flexible terms. There is no personal credit check required because their risk is managed by their deep understanding of your store's data. For those who are running more traditional service-based businesses, the platform known as Clearco has expanded its offerings in 2026. Clearco was originally known for its marketing capital, but they now offer a business card that is based entirely on your revenue. If you can show that you are making at least $10,000 a month in consistent sales, Clearco will provide you with a card that has no fixed interest rate. Instead, they take a small fee from your daily revenue. This is a fantastic option for someone with no credit history, because it aligns the lender's success with your own. If you have a slow month, your payment is lower, and if you have a great month, you pay it off faster. It is a transparent and fair way to fund a growing company without the stress of a credit bureau's judgment. We also have to talk about the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi business cards in 2026. There are now several platforms that allow you to use your business's digital assets as collateral for a credit card. If your company holds stablecoins or other major cryptocurrencies, you can lock them into a smart contract and get an immediate credit line. There is no credit check and no application process in the traditional sense. You are simply using the value you already own to unlock liquidity. This is particularly popular for international businesses that need to pay global contractors in different currencies without dealing with the high fees and delays of traditional banks. Let us discuss the strategy for building a digital trust score in 2026. Even when a card says no credit check, they are still checking something. They are looking for signs of legitimacy. The best way to prepare is to have your business entity and your banking and your accounting all connected. When you apply for a card that uses open banking, you will be asked to link your accounts. Before you do this, make sure your books are clean. Ensure that every transaction is categorized and that you do not have a history of non-sufficient funds or returned checks. The algorithms in 2026 are very sensitive to these signals. A business with no credit history but a very clean bank statement will get a much higher limit than one with a messy history. Another secret weapon for the 2026 entrepreneur is the use of non-traditional data points like your shipping and fulfillment records. Companies like ShipStation and Shopify now share data with lenders to prove that you are a reliable merchant. If you consistently ship products on time and have a low return rate, this data can be used to bypass a credit check. Some lenders will ask for access to your shipping platform during the application process. This is a huge win for the small business owner who has spent years building a great reputation with their customers but has ignored their personal credit score. If you are a brand new and you have no revenue yet, the best path is the specialized secured card that is built for 2026. The Valley National Bank Business Secured Card is a great example. While it does require a deposit, they have a unique feature where you can increase your limit over time by showing positive social media growth and website traffic. This is a hybrid model that blends traditional security with modern methods. It is one of the easiest ways to get a Visa or MasterCard in your business name with a guarantee of approval. Once you have this card for 6 months, you will be able to move to the unsecured no credit check cards with much better terms. You should also look into the world of industry-specific trade credit. If you are in construction or manufacturing or retail, your suppliers are often willing to give you a credit line without a personal check. In 2026, many of these suppliers have partnered with fintech companies to offer digital net 60 or net 90 terms. These are essentially business credit cards that can only be used with specific vendors. By using these and paying them on time, you are building a profile in the commercial credit system that will eventually allow you to get a general-purpose corporate card with no history required. The 2026 economy is built on transparency and real-time data. The days of hiding behind a credit report are over, but so are the days of being unfairly rejected because of a single number. You have more control over your financial destiny today than at any point in history. You can choose the card that matches your business model, whether that is content creation or e-commerce or local services. You can use your revenue and your audience and your inventory as the foundation of your credit worthiness. Remember that a business credit card is a tool for growth and not just a way to spend money. When you get your first no credit check card, use it strategically. Focus on the expenses that will generate more revenue for your company. Use it for your advertising and your inventory and your software. By doing this, you are creating a virtuous cycle where the card helps you grow and your growth helps you get a higher limit. In 2026, the banks are no longer your masters, they are your partners. They want to give you money because they can see that you know how to use it. Stay diligent with your documentation and keep your business entity in good standing with the state. Every time you file your annual report or update your business license, you are sending a positive signal to the lenders of 2026. This year is all about the democratization of capital. No matter who you are or where you came from, you can build a massive business if you have the right data and the right drive. Use the cards we discussed today to take your first step. Whether it is a carrot card for your YouTube channel or a clear goal line for your online store, the opportunity is there for the taking. The future of business credit is here, and it does not involve a credit check or a long history. It involves you and your vision and the data you generate every single day. Thank you for following this guide, and I wish you the absolute best of luck in building your empire in 2026.